Click on the link below to get price. The Santa Fe Ultra70 Dehumidifier is an exceptional solution for managing humidity levels in large spaces, particularly in basements, crawl spaces, and areas prone to moisture. With a capacity of 70 pints per day, it efficiently removes excess moisture, helping to prevent mold growth, reduce allergens, and create a more comfortable environment. One of the standout features of the Ultra70 is its energy efficiency. Operating at a low energy cost, it not only helps to save on electricity bills but also meets Energy Star standards, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The built-in humidistat allows for precise humidity control, automatically turning the unit on and off to maintain the desired level of humidity. This feature is particularly useful for those who are conscious of energy consumption and want to minimize unnecessary usage. The design of the Ultra70 is another strong point. It is compact yet sturdy, allowing it to fit seamlessly in tight spaces without compromising performance. The durable construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of continuous operation, and the built-in handle and wheels make it easy to move from one location to another. Another benefit is its versatility in drainage options. Users can opt for the internal pump, which enables continuous drainage to a sink or drain, eliminating the need for manual emptying of the water reservoir. This is particularly advantageous for larger spaces where consistent moisture removal is critical. Noise levels are also impressively low, making it suitable for residential use without disturbing daily activities. The Ultra70 operates quietly and effectively, allowing you to focus on your work or relax in your space without the distraction of loud equipment. In summary, the Santa Fe Ultra70 Dehumidifier is a powerful, energy-efficient, and highly functional device ideal for anyone looking to control humidity levels in large areas. Its combination of user-friendly features, durability, and effective moisture removal make it a top choice for those serious about maintaining a dry and comfortable environment in their homes.